One of our dreams is to visit Scotland, and here we are, just landed out of the airport. We took a public bus from the airport to the city center, and the trip is only 30 minutes. While we are on the trip, I filmed around because their building seems to have unique beauty. Yung building that is darkened and pinaganda ng panahon. We arrived in Edinburgh in the morning, so we decided to go around the city agad-agad. The first place we visited was the Edinburgh Castle, and this princess garden was just next to it. After a little around, we went to the house where we stayed for 5 days. Here in Scotland, our host will be my friend's kind son and his family. Sa sobrang feel at home kami sa kanila, we intervened in their kitchen to prepare our early dinner. The next day, we decided to go on a city sightseeing Hope on Hope of bus tour. The guide explained the route of our tour. Like as tourists, we recommend a hop-on-hop of bus tour. The bus route will pass almost the tourist spot. Halos buong city makukover ng tour at may audio explanation about the history events. It's really worth it. Scott Monument is one of the most iconic Edinburgh landmarks. Greyfriars Cemetery, the famous Bobby and his master are buried here. Bobby was a terrier dog who spent over 14 years guarding the grave on his beloved master until the pass away. This Victoria Street, one of the city's most photographed spots, the charming curve of streets with colorful shops fronts. This street is the real-life inspiration of Diagon Alley from Harry Potter films. Grassmarket is the site of numerous public executions during 16th to 18th century. The Vinyl Steps is the most famous stairs in the Edinburgh. It is a little alleyway. At the top of the stairs is good to take pictures and you can see the view of the castle. It's almost 4 p.m. and we have a schedule to have an early dinner with Jerome and Ali. We ate at Japanese restaurant. After we ate, Jerome took us to Calton Hill, the highest point of the Edinburgh. It's just a little hike up but nakakahingal din. The highlight of the hike is the view from several angles. We saw the old Roman buildings. In combination with the view of Edinburgh Castle, Arthur's Seat, and the rest of the city. We were planning to climb Arthur's Seat but we didn't have time. It's almost 90 minutes hike. We just walked around the city until we were tired and the sun had set. Ibig sabihin, oras na para umuwi. Our 2 days in Scotland was tour to the Highland mountainside of Scotland where the famous Harry Potter Bridge is. Again, we took a bus ride to the airport, saving tips. On the first ride from the airport, get a round trip ticket right away. It be costly if you take a single trip. Goodbye Scotland at maraming salamat.